Hey, so I've gone through these leads, and for the most part, they're not too bad. One thing that I do need you to do is to put your handle here, so just so we know that you've done these leads. So when we get other lead gen people on, we know who does what. Um, so one thing I have noticed is there's a lot of accounts, or there's been a couple of accounts that are private accounts, so we can't use private accounts, so they're bad leads. And then the other thing I've noticed is we've gotten a fair bit of people that are flat-chested or dressed quite conservatively, like this person here. I think she's a Muslim woman, and she dresses like super conservatively. So the people that we're looking for usually wear plunging necklines and that sort of thing. So someone like this, we just wouldn't use our product. And the other sort of person that wouldn't use our product is flat-chested people because they don't need it. So like this person here is pretty flat. She wouldn't use our product. The other sort of bad accounts is verified accounts. So if they've got a blue tick, it's not worth using them. Um, uh, I think I clicked the wrong account. They're often managed or require a fee. So if they've got a blue tick, we don't bother with them. Um, yeah, and then the other ones are managed accounts. So if they're managed by someone, so you can usually tell by like management at whatever, you can usually tell. It'll say it in the bio that they're managed, so we don't use those guys. Yeah, so these are the sort of bad leads. Then I've got a list of good leads that I'll send through to you. Um, so one thing that I've noticed with the good leads is we've got sort of curvier chicks with that often wear like deeper plunging necklines. So this person's generated sales. She's pretty good. You can sort of see the outfits that she wears. She sort of goes out. That works well. Same with this girl here. She's a younger woman, I think. Larger bust, sort of wears, shows a bit of skin. I think that's one thing that we want to look out for. Then we've got this person here. So this is a post that she's done for us. Obviously, deep plunging neckline. A little bit on the smaller side in terms of bust, but works perfectly for us. Um, Then we've got this one here. So this is a person of color. She's a bigger girl, but you can sort of see that she's got like deep deep neckline, larger boobs. So we'll sort of like use our product basically. So whenever we're doing lead gen, we want to figure out who would use our product. This person's like perfect. Um, for us. So her physique, her body's like perfect in terms of like aesthetics, but like she's got large natural busts, always shows a lot of skin. Um, this typically would have a lot of guy followers, but because she's got a lower account, I think it's fine because she's actually generated sales for us. She's done some pretty good um, numbers for us. So someone like this is also, a really good option. So I'll send you a list of these guys so you have an idea. And then this person here, so a slightly bigger girl, um, shows skin, shows like a deep plunging neckline, into her fashion shots. Yeah, so she's a typical person that would use our product. So yeah, I'll send this list to you, and yeah, thanks.